Aloha and welcome to the 5 to 4s. Today we gonna offer you a sweet tutorial to our last tutorial with the new rhythm to do some chord melody. And we have our chord progression. Like, Patrick, you want to tell us which it is?
Yeah. Hi guys. So we have our chord progression. It's D minor, C major, B flat, and A7. And so in the last video, so we had the rhythm here.
Stop. We have to explain how A7 works because this is new.
You mean the chord?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so this is pretty simple. So you have A minor, A major, and just your index finger is your A7.
And on the baritone, instead of crapping the 3 strings, you can use those 2 fingers, or like a D7 on the tenor, is it a A7 on the baritone? Sorry for interruption, but it's a new chord.
Yeah.
And you show up an example of a chord melody switching between the chords.
Okay, cool. Look what I've learned.
Woo!
So let's start. So we had the rhythm from last week. And now we're going to show you how can you combine this rhythm with different tones here. So just D minor, sorry. For example, like this. That's how it works. So you have different tones here. For example, I start with the D minor, and I can slide from G, C, A, D, G, C, A. And from C to A, you can slide 1 fret up. For example. And from the next chord, from the C, you can slide 1 step down. Or 2 steps down if you want. Or 3 steps. No, not 2, 3. For example, and this is how you can improvise on these chords.
Yes, and there's another slide from C to C sharp. I did accompany you like that, and the next week we're gonna show you how the harmonic minor scale works to get more that Spanish flavor.
Yeah.
So get ready for the Spanish workshop in December. We do it in English and in German, but different days. So you can book us already for the Spanish workshops. If there are any further questions or specific things you want to learn from us, please leave us a comment below.
Yeah. Awesome. Let's do it like this.
And don't forget to ring the bell, to like us, to share us, whatever you want.
Yeah.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
You guys.